Hey everybody, welcome back to Katie Bug's Crafts. For those who are new here, welcome. For those that are returning, thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a fall themed resin trinket tray that is perfect for holding jewelry, keys, small treasures. This is a cozy autumn craft that features warm tones, colorful leaves, and a touch of shimmer. So let's jump right in. So right there you saw that I'm using Tea Expert resin. Some of these are marbles or the glass beads you can get for the bottom of your fish tanks. I'm just throwing them in the bottom of the tray. Ones I do take out, they don't fit right. Shaking up my alcohol ink. This is just an orange. It's a Chinese brand orange alcohol ink. Just pushing them around a bit, trying to get the bigger ones to fit in the side of the dish. This small dish is actually about 8 inches long, and the big one is more like 12. Here I just added some orange glitter to my resin. This was a little turtle from a different video, so the leftover white, I just stuck it in this tray to use it up. It doesn't really affect the outcome of the piece because it mixes in quite nicely. And I figured the white would go with the white glass beads. I tapped it down on the table to kind of release some of them extra air pockets. These are fall leaves. They look really pretty. I'll put a picture in here of what they look like. "24 hours later, time to demold." We're going to start with a little one. Look at that, absolute beauty. And the big one. Even with the white glass beads in it, it still looks really nice. Look at that shimmer. Side by side, the small one hands down looks way better. So this was a flower silicone mold I got from Glitz and Glitter. And the flower had too many air pockets, so it didn't really work out very well. And this is the 3D butterfly. What I forgot to show you in this video is I cut some vinyl stickers in the shapes of fall leaves with my Cricut, all different colors, and I placed them on the trays. So you will see that on the end pictures. Thanks, guys. So this is it. I want to thank everyone for being here and watching my video. This concludes the resin trinket tray. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next resin project. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.